Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the history of bread savings. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever heard of bread savings? Bread savings is a traditional practice in many cultures around the world. It involves saving small amounts of money, often in a jar or piggy bank, over time. The idea is that these small savings can add up to a significant amount of money over time, which can be used for emergencies, investments, or other purposes. So, how long has bread savings been around? The exact origins of bread savings are unknown, but it is likely that the practice has been around for centuries. The term bread savings is thought to have originated in Germany, where the word Brot can mean both bread and money. Bread savings became more popular in the United States in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. During this time, many families were struggling to make ends meet, and bread savings was a way to save money for necessities like food, clothing, and shelter. Bread savings is still a popular practice today, especially among people who are on a tight budget. It is a simple and effective way to save money, and it can help you reach your financial goals. Now that we know a little bit about the history of bread savings, let's take a closer look at how it works. There are a few different ways to save money using the bread savings method. One way is to set aside a small amount of money each day, such as $1 or $2. Another way is to save a larger amount of money once a week or month. Once you have saved a certain amount of money, you can use it for whatever you need. This could be to pay for an emergency, such as a car repair or medical bill. It could also be used to save for a down payment on a house or to invest in your future. Bread savings is a great way to save money, but it is important to be realistic about your goals. Don't try to save too much money too quickly, or you may become discouraged. It is also important to be patient. It takes time to save money, but it is worth it in the end. In addition to saving money, bread savings can also teach you important financial lessons. For example, it can help you learn how to budget your money and how to make wise financial decisions. It can also help you develop discipline and patience. Bread savings is a simple and effective way to save money. It has been around for centuries, and it is still a popular practice today. If you are looking for a way to save money, bread savings is a great option. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of bread savings. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching this video about the history of bread savings. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. I'll see you next time.